Hey guys, it's T and welcome back to T and Tony TV. It's been a while since Tony and I have actually sat down and recorded a video, and that's because we have been moving into our new home. We got a new puppy, so we're trying to get situated. But as many of you know, I am now a bedroom candy and Kandi Koated consultant. So today I decided to do an unboxing of some Kandi Koated products. One thing about Kandi Koated products is Kandi prides herself on packaging. So when you first receive your Kandi Koated items, your box will look like this once you open it. The logo has the metallic in it. And then these are the 3 items that we are going to be doing today. Your receipt, of course, will be inside. I've already taken that out. And then a I am Kandi Koated sticker. So the 3 items we're going to be doing today is the Pretty Powerful Suede lipstick in the color Authentic. This is one of the most popular lipsticks of the brand. So it is cruelty free. It has no animal testing. All the products are vegan. They're very good for the skin. It's a luxury cosmetic brand. This is the packaging. And the thing I like most about this lipstick from the Pretty Powerful collection is that it has a magnetic clip. So it stays closed. So I've already exfoliated my lips. I'm not a lipstick person, but never hurts to try your own products, right? I've exfoliated. I got my Vaseline. This is what I use on my lips to keep them juicy. Then I have my makeup remover wipes because we're going to try out 3 lipsticks. That is the first one. The second one we have here is a lip shine. It's Glazed. So this packaging is gorgeous. This is the packaging for Glazed, the lip shine. And that is what that looks like. And then the last lip product we're going to review today is another liquid suede. Was this liquid suede? It was a suede lipstick. Correction. So this is a liquid suede and the color is On My Heart. And we're going to try this one as well. Again, with the beautiful packaging. The peek through right here kind of reminds me of NARS. I love NARS liquid lipsticks. So if this compares, I'll let y'all know. That's the color right there. And again, it is On My Heart. She has the pretty rose gold. Oh, look at that. That is going to be a bomb color if it focuses. This might be my nude everyday go-to. I think this is going to be a very pretty nude on me. Alright, so I'm going to zoom you guys in a little more. And then we'll get started with trying out these 3 lipsticks today. Before I get into the lipsticks, are you guys subscribed? Make sure you subscribe to T and Tony TV. Okay? Why not? It's free. We're funny. We have a lot of fun. You'd love to be a part of our family. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so why not help us reach that goal? Okay? So let's get into the lipsticks. First, I'm going to do Pretty Powerful in the color Authentic. Okay? So again, this is the packaging for that. Pretty Powerful. If it will focus. Candy Burrs, her name is there. It says Kandi Koated, authentic, hashtag I am strong. So let's try that out. I got my mirror right here, in case you guys are wondering. That is a nice red. Oh, yes. Ooh. I'm getting lipstick all over my face. That is a really pretty red, if I do say so myself. This, hold on, y'all. Let me wipe my hands off. Because I'm getting lipstick all over my face and ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, I'm back. This is a really pretty, powerful businesswoman red. I love this color. And I'm not a lipstick girl. I'm a lip gloss. Honestly, I like, what's the name of it? Be right back. Let me go get it. Got it. The NYX Butter Gloss is like my go-to, you know? Like, I don't do lipstick, but this is gorgeous. This is normally what I wear, just a little lip gloss. This is what I wear to work. Anyway. But this, pretty powerful. I'm gonna keep this. That's how it looks on the lips. Very smooth. Not drying, not matte. My lips don't feel dry. It feels very good on the lips. And this packaging is everything. So, 10 out of 10 would recommend if you're in the market for a suede, not creamy, not drying, but right in the middle, red lipstick. This would be a good go-to. Alright, let me clean this off the lips and then we'll try the next one. So next we're going to try the, what one was this one? The Glazed Lip Shine. Not too sure how much color this is going to give my lips. We're going to try it. Let's watch it. Oh, it has a nice pink tint to it. Can you guys see that? Let's focus. I got a nice glittery pink tint, so we'll do that next. Because after that white, my lips kind of hurts. So you can't really see it, but if you had a matte lipstick, like a liquid lipstick that you really liked, but you wanted to add, let me stop doing this and talking, but you wanted to add some shine to it, these glazes would be it. Like, I probably should have kept on authentic and put this on top for y'all to get the real feel. But let's just get into the next one before my camera dies. Okay, so the last one that I'm going to review today is a liquid suede, so it's not really all that mattifying, and it is in the color On My Own Hearts. On My Hearts, my apologies. So this is On My Heart. And like I said before I tried it on, this would make a very good everyday. Probably not on me without a liner. But I really like the feel to it. It's not drying at all. I personally would put on a liner and kind of just put it in the center. It's kind of blotchy on my lips because, like I said, my lips get dry. But that is all that I am reviewing for today. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I talk about today, of course they will be listed in the description box. I get a small fee if you use my links listed in the description to purchase any of these products. You could also become a Bedroom Kandi consultant. That link will also be in the description box. And like always, make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Tony and I look forward to making many more videos with you guys in 2021. We have not sat down and made a video. I'm talking very fast because my camera tells me it has 2 minutes before it dies. So, we love you guys. I am proud to call myself a Kandi Koated consultant and a Bedroom Kandi consultant. We have a lot of fun. There are great opportunities. You start off with 40% commission, but that's not what today's video is about. It is about reviewing some of these Kandi Koated lipsticks. If I had to recommend one of the three I tried on, it would be the Pretty, Powerful, and the Authentic, because that to me is a glide on, no liner, no nothing. You don't need nothing with that lipstick. The Glaze, next time I'll try it on top of a lipstick so you guys can get a better feel for it. But yeah, I am impressed with Kandi. And I don't get impressed with lipsticks. So, like I said before, all these products will be in the description box. I do get a small commission if you order these products using my link below. We love you guys. Peace. I don't wanna give you the wrong impression.